Hey everybody, today our project is going to be making stickers. We're going to be using a number of artwork that was provided by students from our Art to Code class. We'll be checking in with our instructor Guire, and we'll be taking them upstairs to Pat Keefe's sign shop. He's a vinyl printer, sign maker here in Huntsville, Alabama. He also works in Low Mill, the building our lab is located in. I hope you enjoy the video. Hey everybody, this is Pete over at Huntsville Steamworks again. We're going to be doing an Inkscape tutorial today, but what we want to do a little bit different was include some of our students in this one. So we're here with one of our instructors, Guire, who has been teaching a coding class.
Hi, yeah, I'm Guire Sinclair, and I want to show you a little bit about the Art with Code class. We've been working with processing, which is a visual coding language. We've been teaching students how to code and kind of use their skills to make rudimentary games and interesting art, all with their coding work. So here's an example of something you can do with processing. All created with code.
So now that I have my student artwork, I'm going to be putting it into Inkscape and preparing the files to take upstairs to Pat Keefe's sign shop. If you're interested in seeing how I prepared the files, go ahead and check out our channel. You can find a video there about how I put in the cut lines on Inkscape. The rest of the stickers are all squares and rectangles, so I'll just be putting in a generic box around each one to represent where I'd like to cut lines. For any of the images that are going all the way to the edge, that have a printed color all the way to the edge, I want to make sure that the red cut line is inside of the printed area. That way, if the cutter misses any of the image, we won't get white vinyl showing through.
So now that we have our digital files prepped and ready, we've come upstairs to Pat Keefe's sign shop, and he's gonna tell us a little bit about what he does and how we take those images from digital files all the way to finished stickers.
Basically, we imported the files into FlexiSign, is the program that I use, and we took each image, placed a cut line around it, a vector line which we assigned a cut path to, and then we made copies of all the images, and we're going to take all these images with the cut lines and send them to the machine and print them, and then it will go back and cut each one out. So any kind of artwork you can convert from digital, something you can scan, something you can draw by hand and scan, or a digital file. And we're doing small stickers today, but these could be big enough to cover the side of a commercial van. Could be anything. These are UV stable inks on vinyl, so they'll last 3 to 5 years outdoors. And if they're laminated with a clear laminate, they can even last longer, so for commercial purposes.
That's awesome, but again, that's the power of this technology. It gives us ability to do things like this and using all these different digital programs to get finished product in our hands. So we're gonna now send them over to the machine and get our stickers printed.
Okay, here we go.
This has been our project today. Thanks again for watching along. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe, and come back and see us.